Children in Hawaii have the highest prevalence of tooth decay in the country. That's according to a U.S. Department of Health study last year. Local dentists are making efforts to change that. One way, today about 150 children on Oahu got their teeth cleaned for free at an event held at the Makahiki Health and Dental Clinic. No cavities worked on, but the children got fluoride as part of the cleaning.
Usually we want to be in the top, but this is the top of not being so good. So a lot of the contributing factors of having a high cavities rate in Hawaii is some of the sugary diet that we have here. A little bit is also on the lack of education, and that's why we're having this event today. And another thing is fluoride. Fluoride is really important to keeping the kids' teeth healthy.
But lawmakers are looking at a bill that would limit the procedures dental assistants can do, including administering fluoride. Dental assistants are not licensed or certified in Hawaii and are not required to meet the same stringent standards as dental hygienists. Alex Erbal is digging deeper on the issue. Alex?
Aloha, Kathy. People who testified to support the bill say it's for safety reasons that these procedures should be performed by a licensed dental hygienist. Meanwhile, those who opposed it say it would limit the work dental assistants can do and would slow things down at dental offices. This is Kenneth, and he showed me how he brushes his teeth. His family knows how important it is for him to get his teeth clean so he can have a nice smile and no cavities.
Especially at this age, clean teeth twice a year.
And when it comes to those visits to the dentist office, lawmakers are looking at who's performing what duties when you visit the dentist, specifically what dental assistants can do.
The bill that was being considered this week in the legislature would limit who can apply fluoride to dental hygienists and dentists. But the truth is that dentists supervise everything in their office.
71% of third graders in Hawaii have experienced tooth decay, the highest in the nation according to a 2016 study by the Hawaii Department of Health. Almost 1 out of 4 of the third graders in the study had untreated tooth decay. Some of the dentists we talked to tell me they're concerned with the low oral health scores children in Hawaii have. That's why they're having events just like this one to make sure children get their teeth clean and make sure they're screened for cavities.
Look how shiny and clean they are.
Dentists who oppose the bill want to keep the focus on improving oral health care and not restricting the duties of dental assistants.
Can you sit up here for me?
Supporters of the bill say it's about safety. In written testimony, the Hawaii Dental Hygienists Association said the statute needs to clearly delineate the allowable duties and prohibited duties of an unlicensed dental assistant as they relate to the scope of practice of licensed dental hygienists. So there are actually 2 bills, one in the Senate that passed first reading this past week. A companion House version is due for a hearing on Wednesday. We'll keep you posted. Alex Erbal, KHON2 News.